Okay. Well, I am Lyndell McCurran. I'm currently a junior at the University of North Texas, major in business, but I look forward to, going into the business field and trying to help people as much as I possibly can. But on the side, I am a herbalist as well. Like I do make sea moss. I like to experiment with mugwort, blue lotus, things along those lines. So I feel like doing this course is most definitely going to be informational. Talking with Claire has been great. It's just been an amazing experience thus far, and I'm looking forward to where it goes. Most
Oh,
definitely.
you're so nice. So before we had this session, was there anything that you maybe were confused about with making edibles or just weren't sure about?
I could most definitely say, as far as the process was something that I was confused as far as the supplies and things that would be required. But I most definitely see that this is most definitely going to help me out. Yes, ma'am.
Great. So what made you decide to do this session?
Well, honestly, I'm a real family oriented person, and my family they did have one bad experience with edibles, but I like to, take it safe. They took a little too much, but I'd rather be more informed and have as much knowledge as I can, so
Yeah.
I know how to help them.
And
And
as a family person, it would be nice to just experiment with like little tapas dishes or soups or just different things.
yes, ma'am.
That's great because
Okay.
I want to help people. I want people to learn how to make really, really good edibles so you don't have to waste your money and waste your product. You can just enjoy your life because food is, we all have to eat, so you might as well just make it, bring
Yes,
the two
ma'am.
together.
Yes, ma'am.
It's been really lovely talking to you.
Man, same to you as well, Miss Claire.
Oh, your gentlemanness, I love it. Is there any
Yes.
particular recipes that you would be interested in learning?
Well, I remember you talking about the barbecue recipe.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I am from Texas, so barbecue is a big thing down here, and I'm not gonna lie, I make some pretty good barbecue.
Well,
So, knowing that it's going to be planned, and I'll be able to absorb knowledge and stuff that I need, that's most definitely been helpful.
I'm a bit like that. I kind of like work better if because I'm quite naturally kind of quite creative and chaotic. But if I'm going to be working with things, I find if I have systems to do things, it
Yes,
just
ma'am.
works better. So this course, you will learn a system of making things that you can take that process and then do what you want with it because the process works. So then you can start experimenting in the
Yes,
kitchen.
ma'am.
Is there anything that feels a bit clearer or easier now?
Uh, honestly, I feel like just getting started.
Excellent.
I don't feel as scared. I feel like I'm more ready in a sense, or more open, or welcoming.
Great. And if somebody was considering joining the course or just having a one-to-one, what would, and then the earth can have me.
Exactly.
It was really nice to speak to you, but I'll email you with everything. But it really, if you want to reach out or ask any questions, please do. And if you know
Okay.
anybody else who would like to do this kind of thing, just point them my way.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you're so nice. Like really, if you take anything from this, you're a fantastic person and you really deserve the best. I can
I
tell
really
already.
do appreciate it. Thank you, Miss Claire. I really do appreciate that.
Oh, it was lovely talking to you. Have a great
Same to
weekend.
you. Have a blessed one.